This video does not encourage the usage or creation of hard drugs. We do not condone drugs in any manner. We do not condone the use of drugs or abuse of drugs. Everything in this video is done by trained professionals and made for educational documentary purposes. All action made in this video is legal and by no means necessary to be done at home.
YouTube struck my channel a couple weeks ago, which means I couldn't post for an entire week. I'm honestly still mad, so I'm gonna do something nobody has ever done before. Let me gather up the crew and we're gonna leave tonight. Got the crew here with me, bro. Y'all wanna say something, man? Say y'all names, state your names.
What up, man? They in the building, you feel me? It's motherfucking boy Edwin, and I got my motherfucking boy Angel behind the camera, man.
Hell yeah, man. We got my boy Angel right behind, bro. And not only that, man, YouTube, we're coming for you, bro. We're coming to San Francisco, and we're gonna come strike you too, man. Be ready, bro. We're on our way over there right now. 5.5 hours later, YouTube, we're here. I ain't gonna lie though, you guys made us some good friends out there at Mr. Mushies, just to let y'all know. But I'm still coming for you. See y'all there at the headquarters. It's serious. Y'all wanna strike me? We're gonna strike back. Hey, we're gonna strike back.
Fuck him.
Nah, I wouldn't say fuck them though. Come on now. It's still YouTube, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck him with consent.
Fuck them with consent.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got dragged out here. But, you know, now that we out here, YouTube, you feel me? But YouTube, though, we're here for a friendly protest. Do not kick us out or shoot us. We not like that. We not moving like that.
You strike me, I strike back. Y'all wanted to strike me? Well, we striking back. We're here. Yeah.
This ain't no fucking joke, man.
This is not a joke. You heard him. You gotta free the strike channels, man. We gotta free the strike channels. We. Yes. Hey, low key. Hey, hold on. Why he's going up? We're striking, bro. They want to strike me? We're here, bro. Peaceful protesting, as you would say.
Give my dad back.
But we're striking. We're striking.
Give my dad back. Give my dad back.
YouTube, you guys literally banned me for a week because I said shrooms. I was not promoting it, nowhere near it, but I respect you guys because look, we're striking back. You have now helped us earn some new friends at Mr. Mushies. You feel me?
Now I have a mushroom addiction because of you. Thanks.
I should really tag my name on it.
We get arrested. I can't wait. Fuck you.
You're the one that banned me.
Put me in the algorithm, though.
Put me in the algorithm, please. Put my boy Edwin Camacho in the algorithm, man. Shout out to Mr. Mushies, man. You guys hooked us up, man. Look at us, bro. We look fresh. You know, we took a 5-hour drive to get here, man. You know, this wasn't easy. You know what I'm saying? But we're doing this because we want to prove a point that you can't be the only ones that strikes us, man. We got to strike back sometimes too. But I don't need you guys coming here and striking them for reals. Like, this is peaceful, bro. This is peaceful. But you guys striked us, bro, for no reason. We were just being peaceful. We were trying to have some fun at Rolling Loud. And they did this beef with us, bro.
It's unacceptable. It's just like Kendrick dissing Drake and J. Cole for no reason. Man, you know we out here at the YouTube studios. We got the Mr. Mushies drip on. You know, take a look. Take a look. Excelente. Hey, shout out Mr. Mushies.
I just want to thank you guys again, because without you guys, we wouldn't be here. You guys are really the reason why we came to, or a big reason why we're out here in San Francisco. Just want to thank you guys again, and whew, go get them. Now we go back to our peaceful protest. Be like such an NPC standing here.
Man, we finna stay here for a little while, man. We're gonna see what we could do. You know, we got security watching us. I had people supporting and watching my channel, but you guys still strike me. But you guys have securities watching us, huh? That's crazy. I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to do that. I'm actually just so angry still, y'all. Please don't ban me, YouTube, man. This is just still a positive message, bro. Like, just the people that get strike, you know what I'm saying? Like, it happens. You know, you live and you learn. Still gonna be learning. I'm still gonna be posting. That shit still don't matter. Consistency's key. But we're just trying to give them back a strike, you know, just something peaceful, something different. Not a lot of people do this, you know what I'm saying? So, we're here doing something one of a kind. Fucking YouTube, bro. You guys just had to fucking strike me, bro. It's just you guys.
I mean, we could probably try back on a Monday or something.
Is there any way we could come up the stairs and just kind of just do our thing? We're not here to disturb. It's all peaceful. You feel me?
You guys are allowed right here, but underneath and up here, you guys.
We were gonna walk up, but now that you said it, we won't bug you, man. You feel me? Yeah, that's all. That's the peaceful part about it. You know what I'm saying? The security guard was nice. I ain't gonna lie.
I want to give him a hug.
I
want to give him a hug.
The security just came and what did they come and do, bro?
Profiled us. They asked for my social security number, but I'm an immigrant, so I don't have one.
They came here and asked for my name and channel, and they were writing it down. I know they were somewhat interrogating me, but YouTube, we're not here in any way, shape, or form trying to harm y'all.
Felt like you was getting interrogated too,
exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. We're not here to harm y'all, bro. It's a peaceful protest, bro. There's nobody else here. There's not 100 people. We're not Mr. Beast. I mean, shit, if we brought Mr. Beast, it would be crazier.
They'd probably give us a tour.
If you guys want to give us a tour, bro, give us a tour. We're here peacefully, you know, and we'll show it off to all the supporters out there, what you guys do behind the scenes. We're bringing the strike to 901 Cherry, to the streets. You strike me, I strike back. I'm striking back. Give me a hug. Fuck, they don't give a fuck about me, bro. Like, damn.
3 hours later.
You strike me, I strike back. You strike me, I strike back.
Bro,
you strike me.
It's been 2 hours. Nathan ate all the shrooms, so did Angel. They don't care. They literally came, gave you a card, tell you, okay, bye. It's time to go. I am hungry.
You strike me.
Bro, Nathan is over there fighting people while he's naked because he's tripping so hard on these mushrooms, bro.
All right, bro.
We need to take him home.
All right, let's go, bro.
Like he's butt naked right now.
Shout out to Mr. Mushies Goods and Mr. Mushies, bro. Hooked it up with the drip, you know what I'm saying? The pants. The shirt right here, you know, is fresh. That should look good on you, bro. You look
Appreciate
fresh.
you, bro.
Shout out to Mr. Mushies. You know what I'm saying? Sweater and shit. Look at it, man. Oh, look at him. They geared us up, bro, to come strike YouTube headquarters. You feel me? We are here. We confronted them, bro. We're gonna head out, though. You guys saw that, bro. We somehow found Nate looking fresh again. I don't know how he looks so fresh after being naked off that shroom trip. YouTube striked me, so I'm striking back. No, head out. Just don't forget that shit, bro. Nobody's done this, bro. We fucking stroke back. Hey, hey, intruder! It's low-key satisfying to see this because I really want to go in there, so.
We'll come back.
You think they'll let us in?
Please? Please?
You want them to let us in?
I hope so.
I hope so. I'm striking back to YouTube. I'm striking back to YouTube, bro. I'm striking back. It's over.
Hey, look at your work.
We strike back. We'll be back though. Yo, is that a mushroom?
Tripping, bro. It's Mr. Mushies, dog.
Bro, how did that even get there, though,
Bro, what? I didn't even know that grows out here, bro.
I mean, hey, bro. I dare you to try it.
I'll do it, bro. I'll do it. Let's try it. Here goes nothing.
Krusty, hey!
What's up, bro?
Wake up, fool, wake up. Hey, you too, bro. Wake up, ass up, too, bro.
Am I seeing this right, bro? Oh, I'm tripping.
Yo, my boy, you not tripping, dog. You know what the health benefits are for us, dog? If you're microdosing, it can help out with PTSD, depression, anxiety. It'll boost your creativity. You know what?
You don't move, dog. You broke your hell.
Boy. You see this? Look. Take this. Wait, let me show you real quick. With this one, we have about 4 grams, 10 pieces, 0.4. You see the mushies? Get this away from me!
Here, Mini Mush. You want to get some more mushies, bro? Come on. So take them, man. Take them.
Hey, you good? You good? You straight? Y'all good? You was tripping, bro.
I wasn't tripping, bro. I swear, bro, we were in San Francisco. I swear I just saw you in a mushroom. And you in a mushroom. And we were with Nate, bro.
Who's Nate?
Bro, what are you talking about, bro? Nate, bro. Damn, so that's Mr. Mushies.